Welcome to our Coffee Shop Chatbot demo. This chatbot is designed to make it easier for customers to explore barista-related services and place orders seamlessly. It begins by sending a warm welcome message followed by a main menu featuring 5 service options: menu and orders, offers and combos, loyalty and rewards, location and hours, and catering and bulk. When a user selects the offers and combos option, the bot presents a brief introduction along with the available offers in that category. If the user chooses Add to Order for a specific item, the chatbot asks for the desired quantity and, once provided, confirms that the item has been added to the order. The user can then proceed to View Cart, where the bot displays a complete order summary. Here, customers have the option to adjust quantities or remove items from the cart. Once the user selects Checkout, they are directed to the checkout screen. After entering the required details, the customer's order is placed successfully, followed by a final confirmation message. This streamlined journey ensures a smooth, quick, and delightful ordering experience for every coffee lover. Now that we have explored the chatbot preview, let's look at how to install a template in ihakimi. From the dashboard, navigate to the template store. Here, you will find a wide range of multi-industry templates. Select the template you would like to install and you will be taken to the installation screen. On this page, you will see a short summary of the template and its basic content. Click Next Step to continue. In the next step, you can either choose an existing bot or create a new one. After selecting the bot, copy the template you want to install and click Create Bot. A new folder containing the installed template will automatically appear inside your selected or newly created bot. Now, let's step inside the Flow Builder. This is where our Start node resides, the point from which every chatbot conversation begins. From here, we access the Welcome node and the main menu options, all of which can be customized based on your business needs. Each menu option opens its own individual flow. Within these flows, you can get products, show products, and perform operations on cart. This structure makes it easy to create rich, interactive, and fully customizable chatbot experiences. And that completes our walkthrough of the Coffee Shop Chatbot template, installation process, and the Flow Builder overview.